Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to optimize your SEO for your new startup. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of improving your website's visibility in search engine results. The first step in optimizing your startup's SEO is to conduct keyword research. This involves identifying the keywords and phrases that your target audience is searching for, so you can incorporate them into your website's content. Follow these steps to conduct keyword research. 1. Brainstorm a list of keywords related to your startup. 2. Use a keyword research tool, such as Google Keyword Planner, to find related keywords and their search volumes. 3. Choose the keywords with the highest search volumes and the least competition to target. Once you've identified your target keywords, it's time to optimize your website's content for them. On-page optimization involves optimizing the content on your website's pages. Follow these steps to optimize your website's pages. 1. Include your target keywords in your website's content, but don't overdo it. 2. Use header tags, H1, H2, H3, to structure your website's content. 3. Add meta descriptions to your website's pages. 4. Use alt tags to describe your website's images. 5. Ensure your website's pages load quickly. The next step is off-page optimization. Off-page optimization involves optimizing factors that are outside of your website. The most important off-page optimization factor is backlinks, which are links to your website from other websites. Follow these steps to optimize your website's off-page factors. 1. Create quality content that other websites will want to link to. 2. Reach out to websites in your industry and ask them to link to your website. 3. Use social media to promote your website and generate backlinks. Congratulations! You've just learned how to optimize your startup's SEO. By following the steps in this tutorial, you should now have a website that is optimized for your target keywords, and is more visible in search engine results. Remember to regularly update your website's content, and continue optimizing it for search engines, to ensure it stays relevant and attracts new visitors. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like our video.